Apologies for an extraordinarily long gap between videos. I was inspired to come out of hibernation by a post on LinkedIn talking about the new features with images in Excel. So when I saw that post and saw they were working on images again in Excel, it reminded me of another feature I was playing around with last year, which is linked pictures. On the surface it doesn't sound that exciting, I know, but what it allows you to do is essentially create a live screen grab. So if you've ever used the snipping tool and you hit print screen, you pick an area and then you've got a copy of that thing, but that's fixed. So if I update my chart now, that's stuck there. However, if I select the range, copy, and if I paste and then select from this menu the option right down here called linked picture, what this essentially does is creates a live version of a screen grab. So if I refresh, you can see the image here is updating too. Now there's a number of things you can do with it. For example, if I wanted to turn my chart on the side and have a vertical line chart, I now can. I can also do things like, for example, I could insert some like a title and make it data driven, so make it reference my cell here. So there we go. If I insert stickers, the options are endless, really. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that because linked pictures, a very cool feature that's sadly buried away and probably no one knows about. But now you do. So here's one more I made earlier, and this is committing all kinds of crimes against bevels and graphic design, but it's just to prove a point, and that is to show all the things you can do again with this linked image thing. So in this example, I was building a waffle chart, and that's basically just built up of elements again on top of what is basically conditional formatting, right? So smooth corners, some fancy, again, data-driven titles. So this is referencing a cell, same with this one here. Then that's throwing every single effect you can on an image. So if we go into the picture format here, let's see. We've got everything from the 3D rotation, soft edges, glow, reflection, shadows, everything you can do to format a picture, you can do to a linked picture. So, there you go. Yeah, that was a 3-minute crash course into linked pictures. When people ask me what I'm doing on a Friday night, this is how I party.